Hey, Weight Watchers. Have you been struggling to shed those extra pounds and lead a healthier lifestyle? Well, today I've got some exciting news for you. We're going to dive into the world of plant-based diets and how they can naturally and effectively help you lose weight. So, don't miss out on this. Let's kick things off by talking about the power of a plant-based diet. This way of eating focuses on consuming whole, unprocessed plant foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Not only is it great for weight loss, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. Now, let's discuss the common challenges people face when trying to lose weight and maintain a healthy diet. From cravings to social pressures and conflicting information, the journey to a healthier you can be quite daunting. But don't worry, because a plant-based diet might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's delve into the science behind plant-based diets. Research has shown that these diets can boost metabolism, reduce inflammation, and promote weight management. By ditching processed foods and focusing on nutrient-dense plant foods, you can rev up your body's natural fat-burning processes and achieve sustainable weight loss. Here's the exciting part. Plant-based diets are proven to be effective in achieving fast and sustainable weight loss. You'll experience improved digestion, higher energy levels, and a healthier lifestyle overall. The evidence is clear, plant-based eating works wonders for your body and mind. In a nutshell, embracing a plant-based diet can be a game-changer for your weight loss journey and overall health. By nourishing your body with plant-powered goodness, you can leave behind the cycle of crash diets and embrace long-term, sustainable wellness that supports your lifestyle and goals. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a vibrant and thriving life. I urge you to take the first step towards a healthier you today. Start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips to support you on your journey. Together, let's make plant power the key to your weight loss success. For more detailed information and resources, check out the link in the description. It's packed with valuable insights to help you succeed on your plant-based journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.